Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Cloud Conflict Maker, I'm going to show you a great plugin that allows you to turn words that might not otherwise be solved by conflicts into conflicts that Eclipse can easily handle automatically for you. Before we start talking about word clouds, don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's take a look. I have Eclipse open, and here I have a sentence with a conflict in it. And this is a conflict that Eclipse would have struggle choosing correctly based purely on grammatic entries. In this case, both words are the correct part of speech, and that's how most conflict selections are made. There's not a typical clue that tells Eclipse which choice needs to be made and when. There are some words that are like this. For these instances, you can convert these conflicts into word cloud conflicts, and there's a tool that'll do it for you. So the first thing that I'm going to do is open up my dictionary and choose this conflict. I'm going to double click on the conflict, and I'll click the Advanced button to access the conflict AI data section. Now here, this is where all of the data that has been collected from manually selecting conflicts might reside. And if you have any of that data, as soon as you change this to a word cloud conflict, it's going to remove any of your existing data. If you don't want that to happen or you want to preserve it, make sure that you write out that dictionary entry with its AI data into another safe backup dictionary that you can grab it from if you want to revert back to the old grammatical version of that conflict, if it's one that you rely on a lot. In this case, I haven't done any training to this conflict, so I'm just going to check word cloud, and I'll press OK. And then OK. And now what I can do is go to my plugin store, go to available, and if I go to dictionary, I see Cloud Conflict Maker. And so I'm going to download this. I'll select it and enable it, and then I'll restart Eclipse. I'll choose my user and load it again. And once more, I'm going to open up that dictionary entry. And we see here that it's defined as a conflict still. And so now if we look at Cloud Conflict Maker, it says that it's going to add Tools, Cloud Conflict Maker to my menus. So let's see what that looks like. I'm going to go to Tools, and I'll select Cloud Conflict Maker at the bottom. And it's going to automatically process this word and find words that go with each choice. And so ordinarily, when you create a word cloud conflict, you would have to come up with all of the words that are associated with each conflict choice. That can be time-consuming, difficult, and challenging if you're tired and creatively drained. However, what the Cloud Conflict Maker plugin will do is scrape the website wordassociations.net for you and find the words that are associated with each of your cloud conflict options. So here are all of the words that are associated with BREAK. And if I scroll down, I also get a list of words associated with BRAKE. And so I can just select these words to accept them, and it informs me that the cloud conflict has been created. And so now if I go and look at that, I now have 190 contexts. And if I click Advanced, all of those different word cloud associations have automatically been added to this cloud conflict for me. And so rather than having to take the time or over the course of months, perhaps curate one of these conflicts, we can now use available tools to create them for you. And all you need to do is go to Plugins, Available, Dictionary, and download and enable the Cloud Conflict Maker. Make sure that your dictionary entry is a conflict. Make sure that under Advanced, you have Word Cloud Conflict selected, and then run Tools, Cloud Conflict Maker in order to associate all of the appropriate words with each choice. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Look out for notifications that'll let you know when we publish new content every week. Thanks so much and have a great day.